Welcome to Snap and Curls Hair Rolling Guide. This step-by-step tutorial is to help you achieve the perfect concealed experience. Step 1. Prepare your locks. Start with clean, damp, or dry locks. Step 2. Select your curlers. Choose the curler length and size based on the desired curl look you're going for. A thinner curl barrel for tighter curls or a larger curl barrel for looser curls. Step 3. Section your locks. Divide or style your locks into sections. This makes the rolling process more manageable. Step 4. Roll your locks. From one of the sections, separate a smaller portion you are ready to roll. Begin at the end of your locks and on one end of the curler, start rolling your locks onto the curler. Tuck your hair under itself as you continue to roll upward toward the scalp. Hold the curler and your locks firmly to reduce any slack. The tighter you roll, the tighter the curl will be. Be careful not to cause any discomfort. Step 5. Secure the curlers. Secure each curler in place by snapping the curler onto itself. Again, make sure you roll the curler to the scalp nice and snug, but not too tight. We don't want to put too much tension on the scalp. Repeat for the remainder of your hair. Step 6. Let your locks set. The great thing about this part of the process is since you have completed the previous steps, you can now enjoy the concealed curler for a few days and save the remaining steps for another day. The perfect 2-in-1 styler option for your locks. You can let your hair air dry, or if you really want to speed up the dry time, use a hooded dryer or a handheld dryer. Alright, step 7. Unroll and style. Once your locks are completely dry, unsnap and carefully unroll the curlers. Style your curls as desired if necessary. And there you have it, a quick guide to using Snap and Curl for the concealed experience. Have fun experimenting with different hairstyles. Coming soon are additional curl barrel sizes. Stay tuned. And remember, roll, snap, then curls. Thanks for watching.